Hey,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I am making biryani, which is very unusual in our house because we never cook desi. So that's what I'm making today. I'm really excited to have biryani. I've been craving it. So yeah, that is what's happening. So yeah. So what I usually do is I get half a kilo of chicken curry pieces and half a kilo of chicken legs just to have it because I like legs in the biryani. And yeah, then we've got the rest of the ingredients with 3 tomatoes roughly chopped, 3 cups of rice and 1 cup of yogurt, and of course ginger garlic paste because I love adding it, so I will still add it even though some people don't add that in biryani. And then this masala.
What are you doing right now?
I'm frying the onions, and then I'm gonna add the chicken and the masala, and then I will let it cook with some water of course in it, and then it will cook until the meat is tender, and then we will add tomatoes. Now I'm adding the meat and some ginger garlic paste. The yogurt. This is roughly about 1 cup. And 1.5 cup of water and the biryani masala. Now I try not to put the entire packet because it can get too spicy. So yeah. So that's it. Now it is going to cook, and I'm gonna reduce the heat. And let's see when the meat is ready.
So, what are we up to?
So the chicken is ready, and now I'm gonna add tomatoes, which is about 3 tomatoes, medium sized. And now I'm just gonna let it cook. So basically have to keep stirring it until the oil separates and it becomes like a thick gravy. Yeah, this can take 10 to 15 minutes, but yeah. And then once the rice is ready, which is boiling right now, then we will mix it all up.
So, what's happening now?
So now that the gravy is ready, so I've left some gravy inside because I don't use food coloring, so just to give it a bit more color. Now I am putting a layer of the rice and now some meat.
Must be my lucky day that you're making biryani.
No, it's my lucky day. I was just craving for it, and I know, poor you don't get all this, so मैंने सोचा why not? Let's get treated for all the hard work we do throughout the week.
I'm starving. How long to go?
So once I do mix or combine it all together, then another 5 to 10 minutes roughly, because अभी इसको दम भी देना है before we serve it. So now that I have mixed it all, I'm just gonna give it some dum on like the lowest heat for about 5 minutes because the rice is not fully cooked when you put it in. So just to give it, yeah, a few more minutes to get it fully cooked. And then it's ready. So I have just taken this out from the chula and I have made some desi style raita with like cucumber, onions and green chilies, which I love with rice. So I'm just gonna add some and taste it. Oh my god, it tastes so good. This is perfect Saturday, how a weekend should be. So yeah, anyways, now do you want to turn this off and so I can eat peacefully?